Hola! In this episode, we will talk about transmission in central nervous system. So let's discuss the following. Classify the CNS transmitter and mention the main physiological function of each one of them. This is regulated by the neurons in CNS that is mediated, which fall under neurotransmitter, neuromodulators, and neurotrophic factors. Neurotransmitter produces a change in conductance of the excitatory or inhibitory response in postsynaptic return. Neuromodulators modulate presynaptic neurotransmitter release and postsynaptic excitability. Neurotrophic factors are synthesized and released by non-neuronal cells and activate tyrosine kinase link receptors. Number 2. These mediators fall under 3 categories called neurotransmitter, neuromodulators, and neurotropic factors. The neurotransmitter are amines and amino acids. A transmitter is either excitatory and inhibitory action or both on neurons depending upon nature. That's it in today's episode. Thank you. Adios.